Fenugreek is a herb from the pea family and its seeds are small, flat, yellow-brown pellets. It is an easy-to-get ingredient which is usually present in most Indian households. They are also called methi seeds and are beneficial in keeping hair healthy and beautiful. Number 1. Fenugreek seeds for hair growth. Fenugreek seeds have hormones that help promote hair growth. They are a good source of protein and nicotinic acid that strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. Mix fenugreek seeds with coconut oil to get added benefit for hair. Add 2 tablespoons of seeds to 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and boil it until the seeds turn reddish. Let the oil cool down and remove the seeds. Massage the lukewarm oil on your scalp and hair. Keep overnight and shampoo the next day. Do this twice a week for best results. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds for hair fall. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. The next day, grind it and make it into a paste. Take the paste and add lemon juice or water to make its consistency medium. Massage it thoroughly onto your scalp, gently, covering all of it. Leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour and wash it off. This fenugreek seed hair treatment will control hair fall, make hair smoother, help in hair growth, and also cleanse the scalp. Number 3. Fenugreek Hair Pack for dandruff. For dandruff, just combine the paste of fenugreek with yogurt. Apply 3 times a week for a sure cure. Ensure to wash off every particle of methi off your hair with a mild shampoo. Number 4. Protect the hair from premature graying. If you are watching your hair turn gray from a very young age, then it is time you start doing something for it. Fenugreek seeds have shown great results in helping the hair remain black. Another important ingredient that protects the hair from graying are curry leaves. The combination of curry leaves and fenugreek seeds together to form a consistent paste makes for a great natural remedy for the hair. Applying it daily on your hair 30 minutes prior to shower will get you the best results. Number 5. Fenugreek seeds for dry and itchy scalp. If you're suffering from a dry and itchy scalp, an easy fenugreek seed paste combined with an egg yolk is the cure. Leave the mask on for 30 minutes. Wash it out with a mild shampoo.